one of the things that is important for you to consider is why solving problems for yourself in a more effective way can be a big benefit to you, right? Because at the end of the day, you can continue to solve challenges, problems every single day the way you normally do. There's nothing wrong with that. I mean, if you're happy with that, if that's, if you think, Malik, you know what, Malik, this is not, I'm good, Malik. I'm good with what I'm doing. All my problems are there, like everybody else. I've got challenges, but I'm good with solving them, right? Then you don't need this system, right? Because you probably developed an internal system already like that for you to deal with these types of situations. But if you're anything like me, 20, 30 years ago, and trying to, be a young father at 23 years old, and then a young single father a few years later, it's and going through university and school and work and all that, you're trying to figure out what's going on, and you kind of realize, I do need a system. I don't have one, right? At least not one that's working, at least not one that's not keeping me up at night every single night, and one that is allowing me to relax and feel like I'm ahead of the game, that I'm winning every single day, right? And that's really, the impetus about why H.O.P.E was developed. Was there's a system that came up naturally from within me, but I started to research it and figure out exactly what was going on. I did eventually develop the system. This is it. But now I'm here to share it with you, and share it with you in such a way that I'm only going to fix the scaffolding, the 4 steps. But you can choose one of thousands of different tools that you can use to make that system your own. Because ultimately, in order for it to be effective, it needs to be your own. I'll never be the same.